can see better with no eyes. You watch and learn from the master. Oh God, I can't even see my own thoughts. It's squishing my brain. Oh no. When your eyes are closed, it just feels like tree bark.
Watch out for the socket because the pins are exposed.
And touching those is bad? There it is. Oh, it's like a cat's tongue. I got this little pinky finger.
Oh, don't lift from that end. Go the other side. Oh!
I'm different. Did you smell that rock, Cook? You did this to yourself.
Oh my God. You could reseat it.
Do you remember that I'm blind? Is this a mousetrap? Are you tricking me? And then you said slide it until something pops, right? It's jiggling. It's jiggling just enough to make me horny. Crunch. 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 Oh. She's in.